We got a 1955 GMC 5500 with a V8 Buick gas engine. Got the other link belt. Yes, there are two of them. No, exactly the same series, identical. Just this one has less dents, and the undercarriage is a little thinner on the pads. And it's got a weld around the lifting point for the cylinder. The other one, water pump went, so yeah, it's fine. It just has to get replaced. Didn't blow the motor or anything. Be one cool ass truck. I mean, it is one cool ass truck. It was an old fire truck. It's got the run along boards. They used to go all the way back to the axle. Thing is, on the title it says it's a 1956 because that's when the fire department fitted, well, not the fire department, whoever made the fire into a fire truck fitted the I don't know, the fire apparatus on the back. This body does dump, so you can't haul stumps with it. That's what we're doing, because it doesn't have a tailgate. It's really good at hauling stumps. You could move dirt with it and mulch. Anything really. It's got a flatbed. It could be anything.